All right, so question number 3 asks, if you were to multiply 2 by itself 20 times, you would multiply 20 2's together, what would be the digit in the ones place? So the digit in the ones place is just the rightmost digit in whatever number you have. So 347, this would be the number in the ones place. So saying that we have to multiply 2 20 times is the same as saying we have to take 2 to the 20th power, because we know that powers is just that number multiplied by itself, that power number of times. So 2 to the 20th power would be the same as that. So all we have to do is find the ones place in a number that is equivalent to 2 to the 20th power. So recognizing how to do this problem, it's important to recognize that when you multiply any number to a power, the ones place repeats. As in, if you have one number, it will be seen in the same number of order numbers afterwards. To demonstrate, if we have 2 to the first power, we get 2. 2 to the second power equals 4. 2 to the third power equals 8. 2 to the fourth power equals 16. 2 to the fifth power equals 32. And you can see that these are just 2 multiplied by the last number. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. 2 to the sixth power equals 64. 2 to the seventh power equals 128. Now I don't know all the powers of 2 up to 2 to the 20th power, but I do know that we have 2, 4, 8, 6, and then it starts repeating 2, 4, 8, and then I know that 2 to the 8th power is 256. So we're going to see 6 again. So knowing which one's going to be the units digit of 2 to the 20th power involves knowing what part of the sequence 2 to the 20th power is going to end up as. So all the multiples of 4 have 6 at the end. We have 6 being 2 to the fourth power, 2 to the 8th power is 256, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 2 is 8, times 4 times 3 is 12, so 2 to the 12th power is going to end in a 6. 4 times 4 is 16, 2 to the 16th power is going to end in a 6. I don't know what the first numbers are, but I know it's going to end in a 6. And 2 to the 20th power, because that's 4 times 5, is also going to end in a 6, because the sequence is just going to repeat. So you just have to know the sequence repeats, and when you get to the 2 to the 20th power, you'll know that it will end in that number, so that's the answer, 6.